Today we're making infused liquors. Fill up the bottle first so you have the right amount. Then pour it into the infusion jar. Squeeze 1/2 lime, and then after put in 1 whole jalapeno cut up. There should be about 5 seeds. It'll give it the perfect amount of kick. Give it a quick shake and store it somewhere dark and cool for about 18 hours. For this recipe, fill a bottle with bourbon and pour it into your infuser jar. Cook some bacon. Let the bacon cool and pour in about a 1-inch shot while it's still liquid. Shake it up and store it in a cool, dry place for about 1 day. If there's one thing we have here at Enso Homestead, it's blackberries. Fill a bottle with vodka and add it to your blackberry infusion jar. Add your lid, shake it, and put it in a cool, dry place for about 2 weeks. With all these recipes, after the infusion has had time, pour it back in and strain out the medium. If you like these videos, consider subscribing to our Enso Homestead YouTube channel.